Here we go again. Everything's painted halfway point because you're never going to see this part. You're only going to see that part where the black is at. Battery's already mounted, custom made battery box that I made. Solid, not going nowhere. Those are the wires that I'm going to have to extend, fix. Tank is finally going to come out. We got more wood. This is my hardline setup. Like you see, everything is nice and uniform cut. I'm in the process of cutting this one so I can join it to that. This right here is my hardline bender. You can see it's smooth on both sides. Both sides. It's not that cheap shit that y'all motherfuckers be doing. Stay tuned. Right, people, the main hard lines are done. That's how they look. These two feeds are going to be going into the compressor, which I don't have the hard line yet. But they're going to get done. Right, there you go. We got the feed on there. Tank's held up by itself. This is how exactly it's going to look inside the car. Minus the two hard lines that are missing. That goes to the compressor. There we go. There we go. We're getting there. Custom made floor done. Now just to put in the tile. That's the recess for the tank mount. Finish up the wiring. And then in a couple of days, wait for the 5 feet hard line to come in so I can run those to the compressor and we're done. Oh shit, we're getting there. Getting there, I just gotta make a little relief cut for the water trap. Another relief cut on the other side. Do some wicked hard lines that go from here to the compressor. Yeah, shit, we fucking in there. Alright, there you go. Hard lines all done. Battery all done. Everything's wired up. Fuse right there. Fuse right there.